So if you're seeing thread notifications on your Instagram, here's how to stop seeing them. First, you want to open your Instagram app. So first you want to click on the home button for the Instagram, and then you want to click on the heart icon on the top right hand side. And in this page, you should see notifications coming from Thread about people that you don't even follow. So here's what you can do. You should simply press down and hold on the notification, and then click on the three horizontal dots next to the trash icon. And then you can simply click on turn off notifications like this, or see less notifications like this. And that should stop Threads from notifying, or at least sending way less notifications. Now, if you see another notification in the future from Thread, that potentially means it's a different type of notification. And you should simply do the same process, hold on it and drag to the right or to the left, and then click on the three dots and click on turn off notifications like this, or see less. Now, if you refresh your profile by dragging it down and releasing it, you should see less notifications, or even the notifications being completely removed. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.